In this video, we will look at the steps to rebuild and validate the TSIM Sybase database on Windows. On the Windows TSIM server, open a command prompt and execute pwsysstop command to stop the TSIM server. Execute pwpl command and verify no processes are running. That looks good, shows that nothing is running. We now need to take a backup of 2 files in the pw Sybase folder. So go to Windows Explorer and go to the installation directory. And under pw Sybase, there are 2 files, pronto.log and storm_hostname.db. Take a copy of those and create a backup directory outside of the installation path. I'm going to call it db backup in the root of C drive. Copy the files there, go back to the installation directory and under pw create a new folder called db rebuild. Go back to the command prompt and start the dbsrv process. Execute pwpl command and just verify it's running. Here we can see it's running okay. Go back to Windows Explorer, go to the Sybase bin64 directory, open a command prompt at this location, and execute the db unload command as shown here. That's completed successfully. We now need to stop the dbsrv process by executing command pwpe dbsrv. Then execute pwpl just to verify it's no longer running. Shows us not running. Go back to Windows Explorer, back to the Sybase directory, delete the storm_hostname.db and the pronto.log files. Go to the db rebuild folder, which is the newly created database. Copy both these files to the Sybase folder. The storm_hostname.log file, rename that to be pronto.log. And then in the command prompt, still in the pw Sybase bin64 directory, execute the db log command. And what this command does is it instructs the stormdb to use the pronto.log file as the transaction log. That's now executed okay. Now start the database up with pwp sdbsrv command. Just run pwpl just to verify it's running, which it is, and then run the dbvalid command. Shows no errors reported, that's all fine, and now issue pwsysstart command to start TSIM. Now execute pwpl command and we can see here that the TSIM server is now up and running fine. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos and webinars.